It's, yeah, just minute by minute encountering the harsh. And
When you beat yourself up and you're harsh on yourself, you're cutting yourself off from connection. You're getting disconnected, and that is what suffering really is.
I'm I'm on a deeper kind of level of encountering my harshness and withdrawal. And I was just wondering if we could sit together and I could feel it in my body more
Sure.
somehow, if that makes sense.
Hmm. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. That's it. That's it. Just let it happen.
It's like this lifelong,
It's okay. You're doing beautifully. Yes, it is lifelong, isn't it? Some things are, and that's just the chopping wood, carrying water, so to speak, that we do. That's it. You just, whatever, you know, that's analogous to is relevant for each individual. And when we can realize, oh, this is just taking care of the garden, that's all. That's all it is. It's not like, why do I have to keep pulling the weeds? Why do I have to keep planting the seeds?
so many fucking weeds. Sorry.
That's all right. I don't, didn't bother me at all. Sorry if it bothered anybody else. I was fine with
Mm.
that. um, yeah, I don't have any problem with expression of pain. It's just, we are sadly out of touch with the ability to do that in a way that we become repressed and compulsive. And sadly today dominated by fear, which will not last. No. So, first of all, thank you for your honesty. You're not unaware, you're actually connected now. Whatever comes or whatever doesn't come, whatever you feel, whatever you don't feel, doesn't matter.
Mm.
So get off your case, which is part of the harshness. Exactly, right?
Yeah, there,
Because there's this
there.
part that says, yeah, but if I don't do that, I'm just going to, you know, check out.
Mm.
So you check out until you say, oh, I'm checking out. Wait a minute. This isn't working for me now. Right. So it's always this balancing act. And when you begin to see that that's the journey of one's individual life, then you'll feel loved and appreciated from the inside, not egoically, but truly. And you are clearly an example of that happening over as long as I've known you, a long time. And yeah, it's been hard, but I remember what it was like how many years? 30 years ago when I first met you. I remember how hard it was
Yeah.
and impossibly hard.
Oh.
But awareness eventually transforms all of it. See?
I just have like it's, yeah, just minute by minute encountering the harsh. And
This is where forgiveness practice can be helpful. The Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry when you're beating yourself up, because when you beat yourself up and you're harsh on yourself, you're cutting yourself off from connection. You're getting disconnected, and that is what suffering really is. That's what the true meaning of sin actually is being disconnected. And so when as soon as you see it, that's when it starts to shift. So it's not that more is better, like coming here and we sitting together. Yeah, it does help in a way, but you don't want to think, okay, I'm really going to push through this, I used to have people meet with me, Jon, enlighten me, heal me. I go, that wouldn't work for you. My honest joke about it is like planting an acorn in the backyard, and tomorrow you have a full-grown oak tree. Your whole house foundation would be destroyed. Your life would be destroyed. People think that's the way it works. It does not. And the stories that people say that does work that way, they're not true. No. Evolution happens on all levels. It's gradual, it's slow, and it's not easy at times. And yet it's also extraordinarily wonderful. And you'll know that because just think about all the things in your life you're grateful for now. See? And if you didn't have an open heart at all, you wouldn't have any gratitude. And gratitude is a great practice when it's authentic. You're doing really well. Don't worry about it. How wonderful to know you and connect to you this long.
So glad to be here. So glad to be here right now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. Of course.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Mm.